I've always had a soft spot for the Bessacarrs. Always liked the Bessacarrs. And then Swift obviously took them over. It's still a Bessacarr, but they don't make them anymore now. I think some of the Bessacarrs, they turn them into some of the Contiki Sport range. I've always liked them. I've just always liked the Bessacarr. Now, it's a good looking van we've got here. It's a high style. Not got a clue why it's called a high style. And it's a 442. Now, this is a 2016. It's only just done under 10,000 miles. And you're probably going to cost you anywhere between the 45s and 50,000, even a bit more. But I'm liking the graphics on it. We've got a good gas compartment there, electric hookup, and then let's have a nose. We've got the awning above, and then this one has had a tow bar fitted. It's 3,500 kilograms as well, but it's 7.36 meters, so it doesn't actually look 7.36 meters. So all the standard cassette toilets, we've got the flue for the heating system there, and then we've got the water fill, and then a little 12 volt there where we can actually use a pump to fill up. So what can I tell you about it? It is manual. The payload on it's 415 and it's 130 brake horsepower, so I think it has been upgraded when it was brought. So let's have a look inside this van. Yeah, little things like this on the back making it look a little bit, would you say sporty?
Yeah, I'd
say sporty. So the gentleman that I am, open it like that, and then I'll just go open again. Open step.
Open sesame.
No, open step, not sesame. God's sake. Right. I'm going to get a few lights on this before I let you in. That's some... Oh, actually, come. Ooh. Oh. Leisure battery's not happy. So standard Swift control, we've got the power. Shut up. Vehicle battery. Leisure battery. So nice and simple. We've got the fresh, a few levels, fresh water, we've got the waste. It's telling us to level the battery, so we're probably gonna have to put a hookup in this and give it a run. Water pump, and then see the little there, that's telling us if we've got the hookup in the van. And then over here we have the Truma heater, and that'll be gas and electric, so it's a blown air system, so we haven't got a fire or anything like this. But let's just stand from here.
Wait. What's the frost protector?
Protects you from frost.
No, but how?
So we've probably got a heater. We've probably got a fresh water tank underneath the van. So in really cold conditions, it's got a little heater in there, 12 volts, so it stops it from freezing up. Good question, that is it.
Thanks.
No problems. So what have we got in here? We've got a bit of everything. No, come down this end, Dan. I want to show the van off. Actually, I better do some spring cleaning at the same time. So when you're inside now, I'll be honest with you. Outside it didn't look 7.3 meters, but now I'm inside
it definitely does.
It does, doesn't it? And it's got a lovely modern feel. Why is this in here? As I said, it's got a lovely modern feel to it. I'm loving the lockers. Nice colour actually along there. We've got the 2 bench seats. Bear with me. And as you can see, they make up a really good sized bed there. I will check if they pull out in a second, but the option you've got with this van is definitely a 2-berth. Have they listed it as a 4-berth? Nah, it's definitely 2-berth, 2 belted seats. Yeah. So you can have this, and it's ample. I'll just show you, because I'm 5'11", and I'll just show you there. Look at that. Oh. Easily. You can extend your bed out as well if you wanted to by just bringing it out. And let me just have a look up. No, you can't.
But that's okay. You've got like a little seat.
Well, yeah, you can pull that out to make the bed.
And then you can still sit down.
Good thinking. Then I can sit there.
Cup of coffee or something.
Yeah, good thinking there, Ems. Fly screens, blinds. We've got skylight above. We've got the speakers in as well. Big panoramic window there as well, and that'll help us with fly screens and blinds. Shall we just have a quick look at the cab, because they're all pretty much the same. They put the steering wheel in a good spot, 6-speed. We've got air conditioning there, cruise control, and we've got a media pack there with the radio. Oh, you can put your phone through it as well. There is no sat nav on this.
Is that a reversing camera?
That's a reversing camera. Well spotted, you're getting good at this then. So let's have a look underneath. Not a lot of storage there because we've got the wheel arch. You've not done this van, have you?
I can't clear this one yet.
You better crack on then.
It wasn't on the trailer. So.
And again, plenty of storage there. There's the water pump. There's your dampener. There's your fresh water. So your fresh water will come into there, go down there, and the fresh water tank will be under the van. Sometimes, let me just have a look for you. Sometimes then. Oh, here we go. So this will be the access. There you go, to the fresh water tank. And there's probably, I can't see it. No, there's no bung in there. So that's your fresh water tank. So they'll probably, when you were on about your frost protector, there'll probably be a little heater in there, a little 12-volt heater inside. And there we go. We've got the Truma heating system there. There's your drain off for your hot water tank. And then, again, a little bit of storage. And there is your battery charger. So when the hookup's in the van, that'll kick in and that'll charge up your leisure battery. It'll probably do your vehicle battery as well. So we're moving to the kitchen. Nice kitchen area. I do like this. I love the sink. I love the sink there. Nice. And I love the tap. And then above that, we've got storage. We've got TV area there as well.
Okay. Oh, it's got the amplifier as well.
The booster.
Yeah.
The booster. Built-in microwave. And then moving across, guys, look at this, loads of prep area as well. And again, storage.
These cupboards are quite modern, aren't they?
Yeah, and then down here we go, we've got the sergeant unit, so you've got your 12 volts, and then just like a term, you've got your 230. So, I'll tell you what, you've got your work cut out cleaning this one, haven't you? We're going to get a freestanding table in there, I would have thought. Yeah.
Yeah.
Freestanding table. Oh, what's that there? Look at that.
To go over the sink.
So you can do your washing, put your plates in, and the water drains off. Like that. Put that back in there. And then are we getting, oh, I'm going to ask you the question. Freshwater capacity?
100.
90.
Oh.
Wastewater?
80.
68.
Ooh.
Need to do your homework there. Oh, are we getting? Are we getting? You've guessed. I do like a
nice
back bathroom, and the back bathroom. Look, we've got the separate shower there. You can see. We've got the toilet there, and that's. I can paper read there as well. And look what you're getting. A really nice big wardrobe, good sized big wardrobe, and then sink, storage below, mirror. Now the good thing about having a back washroom area as well, okay, you're getting your separate shower, you're getting your toilet, it's a good place to get changed, and
you got that space.
There's loads of space there, isn't there? So this is a lovely modern for 2016, isn't it? A 2016 high style 442. I don't know if it's a dealer special. Let us know in the comments about that. Oh, we're getting the hot plate, 3-burner hob, grill, oven as well. It's a nice modern looking van. I don't know if there's anything else I could tell you about.
Fridge.
Oh, we didn't say the fridge. I forgot the fridge. Yeah, 3-way fridge. That's the Dometic one. And then I like the splashbacks as well. So there we're getting the 442, the high style, lovely looking modern van, you know. Dead easy to make the beds up. A little bit of storage there, but you've got plenty of storage under there. But what's making up for the storage for you women out there, you've got all the hatches along here.
Got your huge wardrobe. Massive
wardrobe in there, really good size. I like the mirror as well. So again, you can see why I like the Bessacarrs. I've always liked them. Obviously they started to turn into Swifts basically, but there you go, the high style 442. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe.